It is Saturday evening and my mom and I are just out here for a ride on some of our favorite trails, and it's just been so beautiful.
From the very moment I opened my eyes, I've been longing, been looking for love, and I've found many things. Still this emptiness.
Yeah.
No, want to me, I'm in a desperate state, looking for love that will fulfill me. Oh, maybe in
On our way home, we decided to go visit my sister and check out her new boat.
We just came to see the boat. Good. Bear scat. This big friend.
Wow. Oh, you just finished?
It's super retro, but it totally suits her, and it's going to be exciting to see how she fixes it up.
I've been longing to hear someone calling my
For dinner, I have this purple rice that I'm going to just put in the microwave with some paneer, some peas, some cubed sweet potato, and then I'm going to top it off with some olive oil and sauerkraut. So super simple, but very delicious.
Oh, maybe engraved from deep within. He said,
My mom and I decided to eat dinner on the balcony and watch the sunset.
he said, I should be loved, loved to the brim. I should be loved, loved to
We were so delighted when all these birds came out and started to dance through the sky in front of us, catching their dinner on their wings.
And it feels like I've been waiting for a long, long time to fix this empty mess. So won't you fill me up to the brim? Would you fill me up to the brim? Would you fill
We
me
felt
up to the
really
brim?
blessed to be able to see it.
Fill me up to
It
the
was
brim.
absolutely beautiful to behold.
Fill me up to the brim. It feels like something is
There was even a
missing.
beautiful cloud in the sky that looks like an angel shooting an arrow. We stayed till the sun set, and then I turned into bed. As usual, Molly and Oscar are there to greet me. Wherever you are, whatever you're up to, I hope life reaches out to delight you, and that your day is as beautiful as you are. Sweet dreams.